It's absolutely miserable outside. It's an inset day at school, isn't it? So you're off on Friday.
Oh, yeah.
So we've just come out. I need to measure up for mattresses and send that over. And then I'll crack on. I'll make a template for this back here. But it's absolutely miserable. It's poured down all day. And there's no sun in the sky at all. But I'm still pulling about 4 amp. And it's just trickling in. I mean, my batteries are in good state anyway. This little Renogy unit, I keep saying it, this one's fantastic. I'm still not overly sure about this, but we'll see, eh? It's on all the time. That's the thing. I know it's going to pull a few amp, you know, but it's not using that much that I can't leave it on all the time and run that fridge. That fridge has been on now, just testing the whole system for a week. I'm still waiting on the company. If you can't hear, Maximus is playing his wheel right next to us. I'm still waiting on the company coming back about the charger. The tank's all strapped in and done now. Everything else is all clipped and done. I put a little elbow on there, but I need to get a diesel heater and a calorifier in here. But again, they're not imperative just for the minute. We can get a night away without them in, and we need to get moving on the house move, really. But yeah, I'm going to make a template for here. Just going to measure up these beds and then go from there. Hey boy, what are you looking at? You're looking at the new trap? Oh, I got a back trap. I've messed about with a couple of traps. Stop playing that so they can hear what I'm saying, you. Please.
We're on YouTube.
So I've gone for a low profile bath trap. The wheel will be on YouTube. Everyone will be able to hear it. Do you like your carpeted edge on your bed? Yeah. And this nice trim? Then he'll fill that and paint it.
Okay.
And then...
See Mum and Dad?
Yeah, Mum and Dad. And then Maximus's teeth marks.
Oh, yeah.
No more biting.
Okay, shall I go into bed?
Yes, I'll make your bed back, but I'm going to put a wall... I'm going to make this wall here. This one. Are you watching? I'm going to make this wall here. And I'm going to make that there. And then I'm going to put you a little shelf there so you can stand your iPad and charge things as well. And you'll have a light and a charger too.
Yes.
Yes? In your room?
Yes.
Is this your room?
Yes.
Do you like it? Do you want it to be a camper van now? Mm-hmm. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
All day.
It is. Still getting 4 amp though off the solar.
That's alright, isn't it?
But
yesterday, you didn't switch it on.
Oh no, that was the day before. 4.3 and it's miserable. There's no lights and it's overcast. Don't mess with that, you plinker. I know he has. I need to fix that in somehow. I've not decided yet how. I might bomb to the side and then strap it up and under so I can unscrew it and pull it out, because I want it to be removable and serviceable if I need to service it. Are you going?
I'll be going in a minute.
Wittering about nothing. That's what we're doing today. It's dull and miserable and we can't cut wood. Have you seen all the little trim?
Yeah.
All needs filling now. And just the edges sorting out, a bit of filler, sanding in.
Instead of putting wood back.
And well, I'm going to measure for the beds first and send it off to that company.
What are they going to do?
He's dying for it all to be working. When we're out on the road, you can't just run the tap, you know.
Oh,
yeah.
Because we'll have no water.
Yeah, we've only got so much water. The tank needs a clean, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Let's get some Lipton tablets. Do you want them online?
I didn't order them online. I think we just get them at Tesco's for a couple of quid. Boots, probably boots. Excuse me, wheeling it.
Let's do it again.
No.
Please.
No. It's really good. Right, see you in a bit. Rough template for that back. Unfortunately, it's obviously wider than the width of a board, which is a shame, but I could cut it in 2 halves. I want one piece, so really. Sketched out now, and I'm gonna have to hand cut it, I think. Just a bit of something it is. That'll be fine. Let's get it cut. I don't know why I'm working in the dark. I do have lights. Bit of tidying up, undercoat, busy boy down there.
Are you filming? Yeah.
Point it at us then if you're filming.
It gets stuck on that. Well, it won't do this time. It got stuck on that stuff.
What are you going to say? Yep, what are you going to say?
What we're going to say, I'm just scribing this piece into here now, so this will be Maximus's bedroom wall.
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
I'll go into my bedroom in the top.
Yeah, your bedroom will go in, and then we'll stand off the edge and put a piece of trim in as well.
Okay.
That's better. I've been working away in the dark. I forgot I had a light under here. Right. That side's in. I'm just need to fill in sanding and painting. Back's in. Again, fill in sanding, painting. This side, the board's in. The trim's still got to go across the top like it is there and here, which will just cover in the top lines. But I've got to make the front here before I can fit this in. So I don't know what I'm going to do at the front yet, but it's going to be some kind of storage, and then I can cut this piece in and run the trim full length all the way down. But yeah, good day, even though it's pouring down and it's been an inset day. Still pulling 2.7 amp and it's blooming past 5 now, and it is absolutely miserable. Happy with today's progress though. Starting to really feel like the space now. Just need some undercoat on and get painting. Happy Sunday all, just put the video out. I've been out for a little bit already today and I've carpeted the head section, and I'm just now working out to scribe in this piece here. So I've just brought my lines across and then drawn them down back to the point. I'll give them a little bit because I've got space to work here. I've got one fixing in there, so I can get that fixed in. I'm just going to get me angle on here with the bevel and draw that in, and then I'll cut it out, and then I'll be able to bring this up and get me angle to match up there. Now it's not going to flow perfectly, but I knew that already. I've saved the one whole piece to run around here with the piece of trim like that, and then I'll be able to fix that in as well, and that will be this side then finished off. I've got to mark out for my switch, which is going to come down to here for when we come in the van to switch this light here, and yeah, it'll be good. I think I'm going to put a front on here eventually, and I'll cut a piece in there as well to fill that out. Ignore the taffy ends of the carpet. It is what it is. Oh, there we go. That's not bad. The camera can see more than I can see. But yeah, it's not the best job down here. I've sort of like rolled it and tucked it in at the back there, but I've got these in nice. And for up here, just for what it's for, which will be to just store dry jackets really. No wet ones will ever go in because they'll get hung and dried in the shower. But I don't know. It might be for jackets, it might not. I don't know what she's going to store in here. But anyway, I'm just making it. I'm the maker. So once I've got this piece cut and shaped into there, I can then get it sanded. Once it's sanded, I can fit it and then fit the trim in and run that into up there. And from there, this is looking somewhere near. I just need to space that out so it runs in because there's just a bit of a warp in that section there. But again, no one's ever going to come in and notice that. And by the time there's a front on here, no one's going to see it at all. But it'll be good. It'll be good once it's done. It may not even need a front, to be fair. I mean, crikey, stuff can get in there. We'll see. We'll see how we get to. I think I'll put a front on because it just finishes it off. But for going away for now, I don't even need that section in, but I will make that section, and hopefully I should be able to get it something like this section and it'll just sit in. Oh, is that rain? I'm glad I set me cutting up inside. Anyway, I'll get the rest of me marking out done. What are you doing there? Pulling sad faces. Trimmed. Just needs a bit of a decorating prep. It's made it feel more homely, more cozy, less like a spaceship. But I think that's enough for tonight, do you?
Yeah.
Or are we going to say bye? Just stop being silly, sad. Pinch your nose. Right, that's enough for tonight.